Ready? You're about to discuss entertainment. Exactly 7 minutes after 1. Music of Lil Durk. And this is the remix version. And of course, it features Burna Boy on this one. All my life. Right, so you're about to discuss entertainment. I have my man, the Darling Boy, Kwashi. I'll give you him. If I did because I was come on week with her. At a fire, the channel, and I'm money the command come cut Darling Boy because I watch it. Alright, so coming up, what is in the house? Aha, my man in Trickasy. And Bongani is also in the house. One was my few Bongani, Muti Bongani can't channel. Through the success, Bongani is finally in the house. Folks, about to discuss entertainment once again. Your friend Jenny Champon Kopina Boateng. Over to my friend Kopina Kosti. Alright, so a lot. There's champion as you see this weekend in our entertainment industry. And of course, it's all about Tabia Ghana Music Awards UK. One or two issues be happening there. Some £80,000. And my try some convert Sikano. Some pronounce Sikano. I think it's about 1,800 and it's 1 million rather. 1 million. Not just almost 10 billion, right? Okay. Is it too big a deal? Say Ghanaian artists and as our A-list artists we both show our man on any idea na omo just amount no e brilliant so and as sikana na brilliant so and I na Bruce sikana so. And one thing I mean say the video Burna Boy Risky Obia ebe Koti huge sikabia yan doubt you say obo and I can say nya no correct you gitu say oh in fact these guys are cashing out but yan kwa ya artist be can be say obo or is it because Bruce Shatawale has his some way be Zinebiana and no grab up to now the company or Shatta and his team I want to my receipt to be answered say ampa. But then I no cry a conversation and I say is it too big a deal? Say artist you remember £80,000. What do you say? So 93.3 FM everybody who come in here. And again people are also saying say one or two issues cost or boy £80,000. If people cry, can't say Tabia for money says he can't only idea. Just sending issues in the corner. Do you think that this may stop investors from coming to invest in this our industry? Or be because now they're not Tabia for crab, you can't say Tabia for you see now you can't Tabia but in a way, no question is as a creating some awareness, baby, they want Tabia for. In fact, they are really enjoying. It's this stick in your money free advertising. Their moms are. I say a bit to me. As investors acquiring now, I'm going to invest into our industry or into our space. So as I said earlier, Ras is here, Trekis is here, and Abuaji is also here. Everything come on in a jiffy. And yeah, your own Black Rasta also says most Ghanaian musicians have nothing to say in their songs. Omunishe, Kawamunumu. Let's show one in the Adrian and in the Yarding. And you might good scene. Near the idea. Kwame Eugene so to be a man that is blessing idea. Yes, I young woman 18. You shake and I say it will be become. So 93.3 of it's a full house as I said earlier. Everything come on. I say it didn't come on. Right, so you ever share a conversation as the free Black Prophets. After we are TSC made conversation with Nadia. Remember, I told you to join the show live on Facebook. I think 93.3 FM. Text message number is 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. SMS and as a WhatsApp. Over send it about now. I can count them out. It's my mama kwaba. Abaja kwaba. Biaboko. Intricacy.
Biaboko. Nana madaro ma me hoye pa.
Nyamia last week na me ni aba me tisa obogye gumu ne ade a.
Wende.
Obi na frame me. No say one na intricacy. And so me guy be. I say, "Hey, on the ras kotu on the Prince kotu Bible ni."
They know Uncle Booth. Afa for na mo.
Kwabena.
Oh, sabe so me aferen.
Kwabena. Wo bibia ho, kwabena wo bibia ho. Ene ye wie adwumadi na entre wayade. Enti na nka be bibia tenten po bi kwa na nka de ama me.
Sa.
Cause me nko a o mo bo wa chinam no, ade na me nua no woni ha na mo yesa.
Oh, sa. Ene ni pa nka ho.
Oh. I want to say why no akodani aferian na o ya aferian na.
What is obi dia fa for atama. Na yendregezia. Me.
Kebi we ana Prince we. Me na me twitwaje wo.
Sa. Me fu aferian.
Me na me twitwaje wo ha say.
That's na o de share ba me so to bo me Facebook ba me nya botre me nya no homre.
Oh yeah sure.
O de share ba. Me nya no homre pa. Bongani.
Alaji.
Akwaba.
Yeah, we de share.
Bo so me ba ko ni ejire.
True.
That says me who's out to fail one and CFM.
Because
we did comment section and for say, hey, who they drew also,
Down. You be can be I say
that's very good about.
Nana ni. O dance with Matisa head there.
Down the theater.
Oh, there be a see more head there.
Then when we there.
I just see nya he or him for frab mu na just say utimi say mu dem I just say
okay. All right. So 93.3 of them. Yeah, call your issues this Into your shots from
problems what boy na goose. But mu head there.
One thing is that me ya na me nim ho hwe nti obi to bale me ya na me hu da me nkan.
Da bi say ye ni man ye ko.
Ye ko ye ni man no kre.
This is Biaba. Send raz kan.
As we do the meeting nchire bet. Send ye chire dey see another step.
Na number dia.
Na number.
Okay.
Is na number.
Okay. Right, da nyame ase. Right, it yanko Black Prophets asamo kan no say a lot of musicians here in Ghana. Omo hu de omo kan. Hwinim ababienim yenti do kan afa ya na obi aso fa na dwen chebra.
Once you have life, things will happen. We don't need to we don't need money, because when you have money to do it, you won't learn the lessons.
You need to
have nothing to talk about. In music, you need to have something to say. If you have not gone through the journey, you will not have anything to say. That most of the artists don't have nothing to say. No, they don't have nothing to say. Say something, because when you start to grow up, like Bernie Spears and these people, they are old men, but they are still touring. If you have something to say, we are angels of the earth. Our messages can elevate young ones, street ones, rich people at the same time. When they tune in the radio, they will hear you can elevate people from different classes at the same time. When you have something to say, have something to say. Tell the people.
This is Showbiz 933.
Right, so have something to say. Tell the people. Ras.
Nana.
We the one call for Oberhans watch it. You want to share as influence.
True. Near the kind, say I will applaud Abuaje Stainless for the first time. I ordained a mistress Abba Studios. All along, we all know the military woman who has been there since, and we've not seen her. Tinamia Domenede, she's here with us, and she's nice.
Okay,
she's so nice. I know, sir, he will never disappoint, and when disappointing him, so we have the military woman here with us, and
So how do you confirm she's a military woman?
Are you doubting?
I'm doubting because who knew Nipano? Military.
Why you more doubting Thomas? Why should you? It's like going to a dinner, leaving your wife at home, and going with somebody, portraying the person as your wife at a dinner party.
Okay.
What is funny?
Oh, it's a be for being.
Oh, are you an answer? No, probably.
Oh, then we come so we do be you. Former introduction be my madras.
Okay. No, but all along the introduction has been going on radio that the military woman and stuff. And you
Sana we are working.
Sana me can say kwabla you are here. Sana me can. You have to let us know. No, Ras, no. Maybe away me new catch. We new catch.
Ras,
never show. Say Mbia, you know, and you know how.
Debut and Hamilton make us say I'm applauding.
So I'm saying.
Oh,
Obi oni Ras then abasbody or tabo.
Eti me money amaya ne say me ma Abuaje fans so de ne wife aba studio ana.
Na then ade a wo be ye na that no that be. Why do you mean my
abasbody na wi ma je Ras ni.
So oni
dan. Why you want pampam je na? Okay, chire baby e kwa chire
because nya wuye wo ba ye nipa no anka se asemesi ni ana obentini na wa fa odegu na wo
kwa na ama mutie so no ene obi oni Ras bi ye ni say woni first day over to teacher wa no oh I want to applaud yes Lord Caleb so I didn't girlfriend about no new say teacher Caleb nua it is all Ras it
no but enta make say enta make can be say Yenfo obia emechia o nya empepre ho wo tuma mpomnika
that is why I said it's like say as a uko dinner party na waja oili ofie na wafa obi adi wachi
wo be say nteme na me ne ba ya na say wo no de ne ba
ya me kan o ma me wi masama me kan dia
maji Ras
oni pa ne say waje dia
because any pa
you still have to confirm we new one
and check it this is all not in the bag
ko aden kwa bana aden
no so you tro papa enya hwe o de mate
o pesa
mate kwana asama Black Prophet eken me Ras tole bia o mekazi akwana asama o kan de when a junkie man is speaking, the guy he's too high to the extent that even saying whatever that he say only me asem na oka you know. I'm telling you, Black Prophet doesn't know what he even said. Unless he say be asem a discuss or radio you see any be obesante. No, I say, hey, probably I should listen to the playback and hear myself talking. Kwabla, can you play back the voice if you want to hear when a junkie man? Me, when it comes to reggae and dancehall, I know all of them.
Okay.
If they
Once
just
you have life, things will happen. We don't need to. We don't need money, because when you have money to do it, you won't learn the lessons.
You need to
have nothing to talk about. In music, you need to have something to say. If you have not gone through the journey, you will not have anything to say. Most of the artists don't have nothing to say. No, they don't have nothing to say. Say something, because when you start to grow up, like Bernie Spears and these people, they are old men, but they are still touring. If you have something to say, we are angels of the earth. Our messages can elevate young ones, street ones, rich people at the same time. When they tune in the radio, they will hear. You can elevate people from different classes at the same time when you have something to say. Have something to say. Tell the people.
Right, so Ras.
Yeah.
Kwabna we dem me fan sana Ras beto aso no.
Okay.
Per Ras nyom ba akoto ma me. Ras ne nyom latest bi no in peto ma me. Why misrew.
Kobi. Pe Bongani latest no to ma.
Latest no peto ma me.
Telenovela.
I don't know why. Oh, maybe he would want to criticize that song, but in which way, it's welcome. Sure, as a Black Prophet, Black Prophet has been one of the nation's reggae and dancehall musicians per decade now.
Oh, come on, Ras.
Kwabla, and it's a come on, Ras. And no ben pan after a Black Prophet a bo Ghana ubetimido in says you bo aka.
Oh, I saw only OJ Black crowd banker be.
Nyansa sam na ewom no na meka won na banga no. Ene ze ne anum ne de watutu beble. But nyansa sam a ewom pa no. Listen. I keep telling Ghanaians, I'm the same trick is who is ready to match me boot for boot. And at the end of it, you know, with the penalty, Ghana, you're in reggae musicians. Is he not there? And a Rocky Dawuni has been going to Grammys all the time. With the exception of Rocky Dawuni, who has been able to even uplift the nation's reggae and dancehall genre. Fine. So kasa Ghana for enum beblaya to nyansa ni mu a ene de mejitum but onu amu per se nangasa no nyansa no be pa no so wabo. You understand? Because in Ghana yen gospel nyansa bi ani ba bia. Oba Afropop nyansa bi ani ba bia. Nigeria food yom de buy your friend is saying Afrobeat ampa and the Bena boy nangasa kura beka see Africa Afrobeat you be anywhere nyansa wo hip life crowd is dead. You understand? But my worry is that Black Prophet, for you to realize say as I see a bu nyansa no you yourself nyansa no ben pa na wabo. Ghana ye reggae musicians na obi enu otu nyansa no.
Ras unim say okasa you've not been fair to Black Prophet.
Okay.
Nyansa no be mpa na wabon there. Obi tia tiwe. Ras uti pa.
My black roses, when are you coming home to me? Now black angel, when are you coming home to me? Cause I've been trotting and running and searching for you, baby. From the mountains down to the valleys, I can find you.
Right, so music from Black Prophet and he calls this one Black Angel.
Babla. Odo honyum eye the most cheapest song to come out
so
as a musician.
But as so
ya kase nyansanum a nyansanum no odo honyum. And if you listen to that, when you listen the latter part of it, or say from the mountains to the valleys, I have been searching for you and still can't find you. Where is the valleys in Ghana? And which mountain? It reminds me of Clint the Drunk.
Mountain Bia Valleys.
He was having a comedy Bia no yeah.
No, but Rasti, Mountain Bia Valleys. Mountain Bia.
Oh, them about You remember Clint the Drunk?
Yeah, a comedian from Nigeria.
Good. Okacha will say, Africa. Reggae musicians, they are jokers to the extent that when even you start the song, what is that to us? My guy, we want to hear something positive and sensible and reasonable. What is nga to us?
Rhythm. I mean, Ras, you are
And for you to search from the mountains down to the valley. Ghana, okay, you were trying to let me know. You said there is a valley somewhere, but
maybe there's a mountain Mountain Biao Valley.
Mountain Biao Valley.
Mountain Biao Valley.
Where is the valley?
Before me know like this,
Okay.
They must say.
Then fin valley, no.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. It was a chain from both the mountains, and descended down to the valley that is in between two mountains.
Yes.
Kwabla, it doesn't make sense. I am telling you, as a Rasta man and a conscious artist, the likes of the Conscious Generation Band, the likes of Ras Bumba, the likes of Ras Tempest, the likes of Rocky Dawuni, my guy, Davidos Kamuni na Kurabo Nyansano mo say Ujafo. Ebanisana up to now, this Black Prophet guy upon Nyansa enya adwen woni na no. He is still at where he is. My guy, Rasta is not about smoking and taking in D10 and tramadol and cocaine. And you just come. I remember I met this guy in Cape Coast with one artist known as Capone Gaddafi. Now Capone is in UK doing serious reggae music. Ebane saying Black Prophet was the big boy and Capone Gaddafi was following him. And then Capone, because of Nyansa no Buntino. Okay. And my guy is here. And I don't know the point he is trying to make. That Ghana and to phone making Nyansa. And then I accept for a fact that Nyansa didn't answer part there. Because Obi Timi born himself funny form. Whoa yo. Funny form. Whoa yo. Funny form. How do you want us to take that song? Artists like Patapa will come. Kri kri di di pu tu pu tu pu tu pu tu pu 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 a pu 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 a pu pu pu. Nanse Shatawale dunumi yaba. Shana nanse ye Cobra ba ye wale release ba kubi. Hey Cobra. And you my guy Nansen di Nansan de Ghana num to for omun to be. That is what Black Prophet is saying. I am not the one saying it.
Some Ghanaian musicians.
Exactly. So I am just making my point according to what Black Prophet is saying. In the angle, say he himself is even part of it. You understand? And he is no wrong saying that. He is perfectly right. But at that deportation on also, oh yeah, no dia change situation. Say be ya Ghana, Nyansanum ebetimi aba. Because enum ba ku say Ghana num bia ya metat o say mitimi hye saa na ya menwanwa na ya menwanwa mitimi hye saa na meboa. Family. Mitimi hye saa na ya menwanwa na ya menwanwa mitimi hye saa na ya menwa. Etani we ye Nyansanum.
Ko ganya koma na me ohwe mani me.
Oh na na no na sia. Oh na ti ye din komo na me hwe wa mani keke na be bo wanim no no ti na da polo aye me ana.
Wo ka hwe mani mu sa den.
Na me ka hwe mani mu adam no won toka.
Hello na admi shi sa.
That's what I don't can ya say. Wo ka hwe ma asa me na me.
Oh sheshe.
Shi sa na ngwa.
Eso so me adi mi nyam.
Eti kwabla. Asem na Black Prophet aka ne de. E true. True. Nyansanu bia ni wa Ghana anumtofo no ye tifiri omano. What I say? And he himself is part of it. Na edade na oma betimi aye e dia change situation no.
My solution because Nancy I'm reading headline be from one blog be say family say pundits mo trans na mo kasa you should give them solutions rather than criticizing them.
We should give them solutions. How are we giving them solutions? Because they are the star boys. They are mainstream. And when you become a star, become a public figure like you are now, Obi aka hwe a onya ade a uti.
Me de metie futu pa.
But as to say no waka ne de ye pan so memfa eno nso wo ho. You understand? When you become a public figure and the stardom enters into your head, you feel that what you are doing is what is deserving. You understand? And it becomes difficult for you to hear or listen and abide by what people are saying. You understand? Enti enya easy for you to tell somebody I will know what creating enyom akọ train studio etua ni sika aye ne nyom awie no de ababonte na obeka che ne se enyom ya oyeye de entosum usika wom usika ni. Enti the solution is they themselves as artists should sit down. They should sit down and advise themselves. The last time Sarkodie advised Shatta Wale, and we all know what happened. They should advise themselves that no man may they kwa bonti etosumu and I say etosu. You understand? Because yeah, as pandit, I don't know your girlfriend anyway. I've known you for so long, but I've never seen your girlfriend before. When you are sleeping with your girlfriend, I'm not the one who hold your manhood and direct it to the right position that is supposed to head. I don't know him anymore. I can't believe. Are you the one to direct Kwabla Kosti, or are you the one to hold his manhood and direct it to where it's supposed to get to? You are not. It's the same as the artist. And I'm yet to see the girlfriend of Kwabla Kosti, because it has been a while. Situations like this, when it happens like that, when you even urinate, the sperms that comes at the end of the urinating, don't sabum. The na usi ni ama hata woso the pest bubuma. Mami we the pest bubuma ebe wo na we yi ni ama nyina yi pest. That they are called na still line that so down. Eti Kwabla. That is what I am saying. We can't advise the musicians. Omo yen penifo by themselves. Am I the one to go and advise Reggie Rockstone? Or am I the one to go and talk to Kwakese on what to do? No. Enti, that is what it is. We are hoping and praying, sir. Some black prophetic ye. O ma de be kwadwin dream. Abetu nyansanyom. Amagana for ni yetie. Other than that, there, Nancy we cobre ye beto we. Ebi say nyansa bia him. Ebi so say nyansa wom. And so that is it. Right.
Mr. Cameron to Lady Desunti, there's a message we say she's a Santua from Base 1 TV. I don't know, say no cry.
No cry.
Okay. It's Mr. Cameron to so Visa. Ras, what do you want to do?
How now? The whole Base 1 TV. That one sees you from being a girlfriend of Abuaji.
That allegation I know. I'm winning.
No winning now. I know sees you from being your girl now.
I'm winning, boy.
Well, me dey say me say una una ba man so.
Before I take this, I kind message you so I will say Sasa said tell us to promote Bongani and stop the Nshisheni promotion. I think Black Rasta is referring to Ras in particular, the one I'm sure he doesn't know the difference between mountains and valleys. There are some comparison Ras cannot make, because the fact that you started with someone does not mean you are going to succeed. Ask Ras himself, where has he gotten to compared to those he started with?
Where I've got into is I am here speaking through the microphone and he is in the house listening and testing message.
Before then, maybe Sir Ras asem. Ras, macho okwa sorry.
Na
we Christo ni because
first no class about in so brem yiri no. Ba omo. Last one I catch them, brem yiri the farmer solid honey anti no.
Okay.
We just solid
go believers. There be no chance me jai. Any believers na e wo TV so no. Believers. Ye na e wo blame so.
Okay.
Otra hankuli fi na.
But okwa
Ghana Believers Church.
Okwa so ya che.
Ai. Me ma mi wo ye nyina. See you.
Me kwa asem no so no medical echia boss ahenkan tiefo nyina
okay
quickly minim ras ebia say one Black Prophet or personal beef because how I was starting and I thought say he was going to finish like that but later on na say or sans wabo Prophet Abaso send your kan ye no then send your kan nyina no what dey say one Prophet.
True, me say ni o kan de twasum. Na emomu he himself na
no, the issue is about someone o kan ye no. Why then do you tackle the personality? Now me ba enukre Black Prophets say enyun bebri no eye enyunhu ehuhunyum e ka say ehuhunyum no ehuhunyum ma producer emonyum na me ka so mfa nto me oni kan mama me ansa.
Right. Only Cambo Bongani. Bongani latest telenovela. Okay.
Oh dear, bo.
Now, when you guys do this, the issue on board.
They be me so be me na me so obi ma me reference. Me reference. Hey, na benya say.
Me menya.
Although you know the case study. Telenovela. Papa wa melio heraisa one and nyonko estilista down to the mind and the chantida I drink ponen kwa wa muti muma estilista ma me magalieta ni restaurant ne makudola Alessandra Sufid America na so Brazil na da wo be di dollar one and the girlfriend Erica wa play Olivier la so customer etu ato winning bet one ka adie between anu akoye talata ne nyonko pa ne Vanessa me uncle ne Orlando me wa mo wa ne cousin Barreto Angelica one another wa ba to elejena epidemia what they man did it what no so there jawa ga did it wo free day dia bow now so wanted telenovela Bongani telenovela Old Town Music telenovela Hade mtu pa telenovela Old Town Music telenovela Kala Silva eye dancer sikani brain ti was a stripper e Mexico club the hamper enye
ana na me catch you say yempo eye ye Daniel Born we ase
ono to nchen na
okay near Black Prophet maybe you saying near Black Prophet ken kwabana we de me ametoma ne atifo say enwum we ye bo ye ene near Black Prophet kan no eno ano no ana say emwabura
right me dey make production team no make management team ho it no question we mean to me answer
okay
no because I'm here so answer myself
no
as long as I'm here
what the new way compare digress 1 and 2 obi an kanto say emu baako eyenwumfun
you said digress no a story telling song when so sa so when so tin ya hu say no so sa
mpacho Bongana Ramadan
be no ka
Kofi Kenata
my guy
ode Bongana Sami Gintana etale mesere ho banchire na no nyesa na o ka wonum
enum ya uboyi I don't want to bluff
Kofi
Kenata can't come up with a concept like this
because they be an focus high meba
and me focus low
I don't know that one you determine yourself say Black Prophet can say and
anyway no odon hunum we nyo odon hunum
we ti fa se be bia
exactly enti na be
eso odon hu she bibi mu na eboa what you say enti na obi no akọjọ ni MPP obi no akọjọ Christos obi no akọjọ Kremosum se na ebe ya wa da obenya bibio na wo ni baabi agina no wo ha ye den wo ha mama me bi so wo ha wo ye den onwumu ni baabi a ehye oh there be jai
enum no pese enum na question okacha say storyline o want
the story ni ekosi ifa the story ni mche so da wa
tie Kala Silva ye dancer Sikani Brenti osan ye stripper wo Mexico Club di Hamper wo ba taso ase sandpaper ka ho ofempa enka Bianca ono Jose Tatiana adanya na Emprane Santana nso yele ne Fabiana o na pesa wote and we are deaf and dumb. I don't know how to them you. Asam na enum na okay can or ensam na okay can want it.
Me on say bibia no. First uko school kra na ye chawa.
No na we
bibia no etro moral lesson ni den.
Me da me den hu. What na make you point?
Enti Ebrema say dey. Odemandere.
Yes.
Moral lesson
awagadre ofrigeli aba enso wonte amanfo guess na woje empoano kra na wo hye telenovela
enti moral lesson
gani telenovela
woman say
any telenovela
enti den aye den
I say the Kala and then they tell another telenovela ya kan adwo aka abena woman na say den
kwabena say utie enwum bia on at the end of the day say enwum no either say ebese san wabrabo and ebese wabrabo right so what you say any friend moral lesson but Lady Bianca Kablana Sablana I said say there
Malihu ne Maliena
everyone demandre no moral lesson be ni go and say
just that no the song is what
and you say now to nyom
and I'm say a telenovela and only the title of the song
and what is the moral
it's telenovela
is talking in a context
that prophet in the title no the title
or kasa in a context say enum na ye artist ye boss isi no sebi nyado sebi ebunu sebi okudonto nyansanim in a sense say wetie wie no unya afutu obi ayede egum as compared to for no high life otimi to am say waka story na nko okay say na tie senka Professor betimi ma me kwa da nwum ba ko a on say kwa da ye obi o storyteller pa ni nwum we kwaku tata mpo de mpo ye kwaku
we ko P1 cry think say no see
what dey say
mo se menye
unti anwie no say na abrante ye dey ka ho asem asem na oka what dey say kwaku bond the track mi see match o unti kwaku bond the track mi see match o nwie no say say ni bia mere wan kodu ba bia odu so what dey say enti wo no ye obi na say onam sa kwan ne so na say ya e say o ye dey o twe ho. That's what Black Prophet is trying to say. Say, enum na sisi na
how can you
Black bono sebi nyado nyansan ye dey enim gusin that na me emwa say miami ni akwabena costi na oti studio enum we pa gusin adeya obi no obi koye gusin ti say kwabena ni age afeni o pa cho me pa cho me kan wasebo
Mentia me can say asem no say na me wo group people na nkofo bi can say the guy is a Nigerian and I me no can say no he's a Ghanaian from Konongo and almost say ni tonation how he sounded on the song just so Nigerian is one there be I said your can good sing man I mean I said that because of the argument
and odi can because the side do ehuhu nyom de ba le toto Lady Bianca ho a ene Calavona ensi Mexico wo de toto ho a eno no say no ka ehuhu se mo but se no siko no unyo obi a wadwemu do an dey unhu says we na dey oka into in a way but untimi eme attack Black Prophet personally na onye na sam nintum So what they say me wa na asem no so ne ye ka ho asem say enwum ma ye artist mi ye no eye hugu nwum sebi
enwum na o kan ba ko ni ye nhwe say we so abawo ma
it's all about realities of life, you know. Beat on fire, style beat. Me see macho, I'm on the team in noodles. Me go, me buy me more, me buy me no.
Sa.
Sure. Memensa.
Enwum pa abo.
You listen to my song and listen to this one and compare the two. Well,
until that kind of company.
What do I say? On say obra nka ye pie so ne behu at the end of
sorry,
the
man, stop.
O de ye ntie nyi kura
Kusi no fufu a obedi ha kan kusi edi ebedi fufuo. This is
Kwabena
indication of black
na kwa so eni senka
ankoni
ntem bisa kras say okwa sori ana ntinka o kire mi a say okwa sori nka bia nka mekotu no bible mu ba we no onkwa sori na say bia nananom nti say me bu ni be mpanifo kasa onim tete kasa mpani kasa onim mpani kasa no ka ye no
magai
mpani kasa ba we dry dey ankoni boku no o kire wo ase say onya abrocho obeko na
fufuo Uba bontin fufuo nya na wa bontin. Hey, now so that's now okay. You have to be clear in mind and conscious and open your eyes. What are you trying to tell me? Say until obedi fufuo adi say boni mu an obedi fufuo no. Wa bla opie free boni mu bontin fufuo nya na.
Choba bebre wa.
Choba bebre. What are you telling me? Guy, make your point clear and stop confusing me and others.
Choba asema o ka se ompie enko yonkofo bi ho no mu a.
Ope fufuo for drunk ko show boom. Pie bia bontin.
Sabi anya do sabi eson. Adehye end bi a bontin.
Wana ga cheo. Yeah, but
kuzi na ngazi nyina ni bo nkwan.
Bari ase abua kusi ko no my be ku am so mu pie
enti going forward no me ne black prophet e ya adwin pi because
but ka ko point ne de wo hu say antwasum
ankasa etwasum kako point ne twasum obi otie bia me say kako point ne twasum
Right.
Facebook wo be ka kire omo from be ka to say kako point ne twasum
say wo pe fufu adi e wa
enti going forward no na me can be say prophet no krasem no kan no kre endo na me da ho no na binya message bi then it was like musicians are angels like he said na nyankopon ana nananom ana any other spirit they have different way of communication
Right.
they have different channels of communication for which music is one so it's about time even we pay attention to musicians because most of them are prophets.
and trick is not all musicians
missing
are
most
angels.
of them.
You said musicians are angels. You didn't say most of musicians are angels. What are you trying to confuse people? Guy, who make it point?
You continue to a musician.
We have singers. Musicians are angels. That is what you said.
No, we have singers. Yes, musicians are angels.
Most musicians are angels. And I must make sure say not all musicians are angels.
Me say most of them are prophets. Most of them are prophets.
Oh, confusing it.
Are you saying angels or prophet?
Stop confusing him.
We have angels
and
we have
prophets.
prophets. Sumano as bofo me kan the tree nenko asum ye. Bofo the message bia san so on famra. That is angel bofo.
Right.
Bofo ni say osomafo, bofo ye somafo. And ye wo adifo. Oh yes, ye wo ye bexi. My typical example. We can send be whether or can in terms or can say whether and I'm say spirit na man ka ye ntino.
How can you confirm that spirit man na ka say?
I say the year 2020 say sum katari asia meko ama odo ye wo and the year 2020 we know what happened. What started obia da
Stop.
and I'm say na
don't tell me
Senka rasinya bro what
don't tell me that. Say 20 esumbe ka tell you ase. Ye husum bia and COVID-19 ba ye esum.
Aye den. Aye den. Enye sum
19 years.
enye sum na
Is it darkness?
onim I now start to can me like me bro fun ye ba wo na wo can bro onim irony
COVID-19 ye esum. Forget about hotel.
nyanse mu
Oh, sorry. Yes,
enti ehia
and now
banyansani anomati asemo ya oka Yesu ba okekan kan sem bebre a na bi ye kasa bebuo ma ne na chita focus na asemo ya oka ase kire sei ama Yesu krampo kire om say oh dabi munya mumpo yese ka moti ase because no Yesu hu ni say omo de omunim like no makasa na so omo sua bibi ba no kra nam say o company kasa enti omo anti ase ras nya botre
memi nya Tete samba yada so titim. Nimi. Tete etu o de tete be confuse me na.
me so you abakwasem a o yira wo daachi so ni mu a
Eti abakosem ne sen. Sem ne sen. Make clear case. Nice one. Also for Ramponsa Kasem bi say the year 2020.
Yesu katawia se a
Mami kan me pacho. The year 2020 also was say
se sum katawia se a ono obekwa ma odo yewu
good.
na how our man for wale dey eso e wokro eso wokro ma because obi people were staying in the house and ade ye kiski wa chema wade tini ade nyina
Bye.
na suma
Esum. Okay.
aye the community e dey
Esum COVID-19 yesu.
Man making points now about
enti
And Ukraine and Russia and so on in your day.
enti going forward no enti going forward no ebi abofo ebi angels ebi so hu say inime bi o ma bra so no so can say you have to go like have experience say na nke pay attention kan mobile wen nke pay attention to music people nka umaya obo inkule no eze nkule now say that because me say that anya identity you are the living God nku enku ne ho
no kunu hu anani kunu
oh say what say we kunu hu say ni kunu ku wahu
I get it, yeah.
Bob Marley the same thing wahu Lucky Dube wahu but they were saying certain things in their songs if say you pay attention and kebi and banana they are still with us so what you say so it is so it's about time
Almost what do we do?
it's about time you pay attention to musicians one but in as much as you pay attention no the musicians who to ekurafo uto jamafo na uto ekura so dey for na so uto jamafo na uto mo so fo so what you say yes ye tu omu nyina afo in as much as omo dey ye beti omo nwom no na ya fa bibi wo mu na ya boa omo ankasa no eye say omo so dey enwumpa dey ebre
that is what
now
I said.
now akoye
Mm.
say everybody want to jump on the hate. Oh, hate. Na sisi enso no sebi mpanifo ani mu atifo ani mu a oka ajimi sema and yeso osoro.
Who told you
And
that?
everywhere including politics.
Who told you that?
Can mpanifo ana ọmọ ni position
It's a
obi
lie.
no so I say
but shade you
It's a lie.
this is a prophetic no there are people who are good songs but you patronize you because you when you say omo ebi mu dey too deep someone like AIC I can
yeah
we mo too deep wala simoni ade nyina too deep music but you pay attention to them but to send a ras make example maybe from the form you feel say you fan jam to send ya message ni tie bia no we still want it what you say
beba eku ejeso oh eku ye pa bobo nyuma obebo bia de jame nanso you tie lyrics na o kanya nsasem so it's not about say o de be jame and whatsoever
on club house bi any Ghana ye bo pa bobo nyum pa bobo nyum we yase what for why da bain wo what
ras tie
your ball simple one your ball right hander
hey how we MC say your ball onka no wa be say Gaza pa
kwabena utie me
only me
pop na ye bo all hit songs people will be jamming but the moment they hear eku probably the energy is higher than even the one we think is a hit song.
let me tell you why because recently I was in a club at school same thing happened now DJ anybody no dey some old we betum I say you test anyom na che and no be a time fan jamming so the moment I DJ be dropping a change attention
it actually didn't to attention because the content production everything is on point.
Okay,
so what you say and if everything is on point
on point the boy ya say no mo ho no
no unyanko eku no so nge wona ka tell
eh akwa we so me te ba no te eku a o se nge
ni zigani bi oso
wa me
ras no nze nya re honyo
o se anu ma ye bo akola kitekite kura o se o te
nge
my guy stop
on a more serious note no I go
comedy.
me Black Prophet eya doing 100% say most of the artists na ya ba no yen content wise no it's neither here nor there because utie nyum bi ti say telenovela na just say unya bibia en film school ni ko tie telenovela what the den
so they are there
what's that
who show TV so they are there
me hear TV so they are there enti kwabena say na me kan no Black Prophet wakasa na wayade and it's about time say artist any youth I ebo mdom ho share nwum no mo hwe senior hit ndo in as much how with talent na your business no say you like odwen ho how are things are going because omo mu ye ni ye no and then nyina no omo nwum ntwa mu but Mali song will never pass away that Lumba song will never pass away a friend say
bungani
me body me ba me du mo so yasapon Nenhum gospel, me do gospel side. Yes upon you entwamu da. Culture nyum entwamu da. Kofi Kinata nenhum bebre hod my day. Entwamu da. Oye you to. But no bit to say. Telenovela bit me atwam.
Bema nkwan.
Angela etwam. Ubokro bia ndi so he. Enso anwuma na ye papa na nyansa wo mu no. Enkwe bo ma ye wo no ni ye ngom ne ye boy yo. Bo mo te penam say enwom penti no. Omo they dance to it. But then ya Bungani telenovela ubokra obi ansa.
Right, Yakoba just wait. Sasa baby ubehu ni bia no odoka tibe ubehu ni bia ma so wakasa ye pa.
Me na se.
Tibe
Mi chiano pa so.
Baby ubehu bia no.
Odaso UCC ho ana.
Agenda said.
O se mi bisa.
Sasa so you school sache.
Sasa so you UCC ache o.
That 3 years news saying.
E do we UCC.
Awaje to aso.
Kwama I think say Black Prophet wakasa na medini ho ya kakra. Asem we aka wa over again say Charlie say obi enwum nyansa no it depend mood it me determine say enwum na utie no nyansa wo ana nyansa ni what I say because utim be kase most Ghanaian artists enwum mo bon nyansa ni ma na say bi mo say enwum papa na ono ankaza ko di ne ho atem what I say ono ka most artists no kan because me say me fan of reggae
right
so nenyuma obo no me hu say nyansa bia ni last time we tie na album bi from Osu I was like Mr. Bruno the buy no so me fan she baby man so me say me fam ne mati and enyum ni bi e Chalowati e bi e Soya e bi love from hell
there your boy Black Angel no cry a part of the
from Osu yeah so me tie enyum ni bi wo so a me hu say me hu say nyansa nyum sani awon oka no enyum ni bi wa nyansa ni maybe sada na bi a wa fine ana o yese me ye nizam go me na me tie we be tie we feel say wo enyum we dey chai nyansa wo depend on the mood any pan dey e wo but me no at that particular time me dey am chalo dey dem dey what you say so mood etimi chese enyum a wo tie nyansa wo ana nyansa ni na mo dey telenovela ye example say wo nyansa ni obi a ope telenovela e be pe ras enyum telenovela because we are and one obi script and ras dia to nyum za no a whole script and na kwandi ras atimi akeka bom e dia ye nyum enti so okwa hwe movie ni dia utie nyum na the same as hwe movie na dia picture movie ni because me ye help etie za nyum kwate ja ya ni bre eni o ze kwa na say utie za nyum na say hwe movie
na o picture dia
o picture ni esi wo anyum ni
anyum bi mi ni title o say oko efuom eko hu sika kokko na obe fie be kan no say
ono so ba ko pebi
oyira akura so ayira atani so koso ka che monti ahen say ope bebrebe o say bibisa sa nyo no mitie bia o na picture senia ebe ye
kwaje mi ntwa no sa nyum ya mo ka ho asem sisi at the end of the day there's a moral lesson say enibre o enye
na ras bongani no o shi won ya de baba
o debi
o debi na kana kamula res na me say o shi won ya de baba so anyum ni mu no o so obi e boje ntra bra o dia say obi shi won no e onyum ni obi wa
tetua ne de pani ne kura ma
o di wa ne obi e brema o de mandere
yes
so sani ma nyina hu ya de baba enya de baba that means say gentle bra ne ma ni ma mbori nyina o tie anyum ni ko sia enyu obi ayiye
ba
unti enyum ni nti
man making a point
me make at no man make me point make me point
komo bia
ni onim he onim ye ka asem o ye de asem bi to ho for instance ye the book 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 eto say and the house ya bro for kasem no mo wasem bi mo wuru bi mo say you can't determine it part of speech unless such a sentence mo example the book is on the table now the book is a noun I booked the hotel I be a verb
yes
now where some na okeka no at the end no then na or summarizing be che sentence me enye say or okeka ne say what the mandere
what you say
I don't know no touch na
Ode mandere.
Yes, ma make no.
Ada wan go school ana. That's a telenovela. Won't ask ana.
One thing I say Black Prophet hu ne say. Umud etimi ma anwum. Hu ze nyansa wom ana nyansa ni. Kwabena me say me come de me. Na so obo se wunya bo na da mbefu ba. Because me anga me nini.
Now
what's uncle peja? Se wunya bo na da. Me nya bo, usimi nya bo a. Me ngu kaza anwum be anwum fon be na obo no. All do adnet no. But se me nya duane. Na ma me sa anwum na. Me ngu se anwum de mu da ho nyansa wom. Because me nya bo Jason Baba. Me baba bo na bo ne jo.
But yes, say prevention is better than cure. I say usua bibi akwa bi he minim say kwabena te hoyi. Before I bet na mic we anim. Didn't say piepia konso ayi no. Osua bibi ansa na wo bet na ho.
And only prevention is better than cure.
Me ba. Wo ekomodew. Se wunya aduane hyehye ahia obedi kwa na woni mu ayede. Awro. No say what say. Se wunya bo na se bo. Ehia ba.
If you people are to ask me the difference between intricacy and mona mobile on the most serious note, me net assembly. I'm telling you the gospel fact. The last time we interview mona mobile was station I know insult. It's my colleague. Listen, men America said the difference between intricacy and mona mobile is very hard for me to pinpoint what I say. It's not Ampo.
I think
and he can testify.
I didn't say
because right logically when we be on here say this is a noun, and when you go to that it becomes a proverb, and when Charlie me say there should be a check. Man fana bro. Take say there should be a serious check. Oh, what dream oh? Because seriously, you are not making any point. The difference between who and mobile. The many nukroni are difficult to justify. Odi Abuaji we odi no. He's my brother. We will still have a vibe.
Before ansana kwaje ubekasa no. Trust em no asem bi wo ho. Obi kra de bo nyom. O say no kra sem am kan enti. Abeda no tamfo enye hwe kwaje to aso.
This are some that I'm saying it doesn't make sense.
Say no only abre wan tena. Ana won sam Martin.
Send no me diga me kan Black Prophet wa music in match and the case amom music Ghana I think say okay. And for this and some if you no ankasa ne camp ba na if you mu ba no say bi entwa yi because him say obi ani obeko studio ye wadi bo say vibe na ba say ne amoka no utimi nya beat bi na vibe ya den aba but if you no ka wa anwen ho a untimi enfanto beat ne so which that means the moment wa dwen ade ho e de na that means nyansan e den enipa bi no a say bi na dwen no nyansan nim o dwen ho pe no that means when ade no ho nyansan ana odi ade na to beat so
esunyansan na sunum die o misle
o de min ka say wonya ho nim die me say wonya ho nyansan o de say the moment wa dwen ade no ho no wonya ho nyansan ana odi ade o de to beat so so that means ade no nyansan e den e wo enti na mutimi ka say wonyu we okọ off beat that means even beat in that one kwa ntimi amfa anto so pepepe o de say ba the moment I etimi di betimi di nyum na di asa no that means nyansan e den e wa ade na o yinim enti o tena na o rubbish obi nyum say telenovela nyansan ni ma the moment what nya keka enkofu di nkra bom e de anyum no mini nyansan wo anyum nim not to you no who say nyansan ni ba to obi a na digital novela ho no who say nyansan e den ewo enti Black Prophet awaya pani o sabi wa bonyuma du akire na sa okeka sanse bi se ya na yan kwala ya ti akire you say aden o sankofu na maka na edidi radio store atam no o je za mo ye mfa za mo ye gatekeepers no mo na mo ye san ma we ya na yan kwala ya ti akire no esa na yan so ye hu ze ade amoye no nyansa bi ani mi go me nya ofan onyuma a ogbo no mi hu ze nyansa ni on do anet no so kwamna eso hu ze mood etimi determine the sensibility of a song say ene me raho na babo nyum bia babo sa obi nya na dia kware na case ya wodi emfa me ho ibia mepe duadua mu oduo bi dia agege me wure o dia say ana owo pass we na mewu ada bi dia agege me wure at that particular time sa nyum na me hu ze nyansan den ewom selumba wo police aba aponti o dia say nyum o bobo lumba din hwe nkwase anyum a papa pani wabo papa pani anyum a wabo police aba aponti odibo de babo
no you lumba na boy
Lumba na boy
sa oh yeah sure
police aba
police aba
na boy come na lumba onyum bi Dr. Fani na meka Dr. Fani na meka the police aba no kafra lumba but Dr. Fani kwa na nyumfun Dr. Fani nyumfun papa pani na obo sa anyum yi sabi me am beti achi a na yeah but also obo ngofo a amonyum ye bo a sabi usu akra woti a nguzi nyansa ho no
o se abado ma akra ade so
obolumba din but o ntimo ma obant na wontie Dr. Fani
etrege se me say that should be a child.
Sir Dr. Pani I can one say me before then I'm referencing you say good thing na me can one say once me can say do a profane but then how are occulti or can say no
I just o transit decode
say to me say only abrewan na no want tie sa empani kasa say no e betom no
Doctor man kwa no he
me se pani be no se one ne tran ya nti no na ye ne pani kwan tran ye ntase
enyum nie
me they told me say intricacy afem man that but I didn't know say true like that but it is clear you know
message you my guy your friend Papilo I say Charlie on a more serious note we should all agree to what Ras is saying what the guy is saying there as a
it doesn't make sense it's just not making sense
how starting you know fanboy me get fanboy me boy I know we already Dr. Bo be answering on Dr. Pani
Ras the message is so hard about was you see how Ras is happily attacking someone's personality when I come at him then he's angry
that is success so
me one thing I say nipa say baby I want to ground it me determine the kind of anyoma nyansa wo because going to me kwatena so them na ya mo this enyum na ngase nyansa what the pap no why fine kakra na de nyum go tuma ubon say wo nyum mu da ho
any pana bomb man last week say intricacy say on Eva or say I felt the guy last week but today his energy there
is enano edam na yi ne ho
onim
oh mami mi
ti Dad Lumba
mama bajin
wi because me come as I was saying was this kind of nyum from empeniphobia said Dad Lumba what I say me to me who say nyanseni because Dr. Bubi Anjino Dr. Pani have what I say it make sense or this anyum bi or
no but Abuaje when it comes to situations like that creativity wise is at stake
yeah but once say you are talking about nyum I love say nyansan den enim and anyum na me say mood on ana situation to me change anyum bi nyansan wonyum because me for instance be am tete here say me o kasa Dr. Bubi Anjino ho a obi anya ne who say
me try to make your point to be say creativity Abuaje me twa one but creativity wise no eba you will create but after creating you know hono ne obeba be jeje say is it
good creativity and as
bad it will create here hono we no na owo upper hand to judge whether it is good or bad but you don't have to undermine the Dr. Bow and
say nyum bi ba na say collect me kan ya a wo dey akola be call hospital what is anyway doctor abo obi antwe doctor Pani unyamu say doctor bi unity pe okola no be jane
osuro
o just say na me say
akola wonti asem
yeah akola onti because say akola bi on abro ba na ekwata na akwata sadi gas on onim doctor o just say na nyum according to nyum say doctor aba onye den ontwe ne ho edi akola na unye de ni abo odin kwa kosti room 444 kona ko doctor won say akola ni janje na shame gbajane on do anything because what is it olumba nyum say doctor abo obi den obi antwe ne ho which I think say near Black Prophet ka say bi anyum bi wo ha nyanse nim no true but eso hu say ras kan say wa create or the nyansa na yeden ade no o just say and at that particular time mini mood no as nyansa na o de ade no ese mmete enemi bi ase wa o just say because anyum bi wo ya antwero wo sa and anyum bi wo ya atwero obi atena se afa na adwen ya atwero ade then you come back and say oh nyansa nim o just say obi wo so wa antwero but odwen ho no de nyansa yeden ato ade no and you but atena se na be share ne so ade we nyansa yeden enim these things coming from some penifo bi na sabi kwabena entwe yi o just say maybe o ka bi o na sem na okoka kan wa sem na ko baby esa nkola na mudi achi no amamfa bu obi amamu because yeah o ka say most Ghanaian artists are obi wa no be most nim but who are the most one do anything who are the most artists that come one sem o so kan o ye Ghana ni enye dancing na Blacko ekoko GBT international flow nti say ne nyum ya obi tia o say Black Sheriff wi asin yo no bon kwase anyum bibi nyu bi o Ghana on tini nyum ba kun pass o just say because obi a me fan soft bi wa ono Blacko nyum bia ya high ya twitwi bi na street so
nti onpe
obeka che ne masema mu ntie Blacko nyum mpo because of o pretty drugs ene ne manema onu nyum o just say obeka nyansa ni sa akwa we nyum ba wi ase nyina o ehun say when it comes to international flow because international wi ase nyina worldwide international obi a one nyum atra border na yakofa nipa na o se nyum nyansa nim na o ewe no o preach drugs ni manema ono na ye dia ordinary den amano meaning o no to you no nyansa nim ba to others nyansa den ewom so you don't have to rubbish someone's creativity and someone's nyum say most Ghanaian artists nyansa nim kwabena I think say below bet and say wetin aba bioma ombra na come polish asem na okan rather than say wakan ta tra to because ne album osu from osu no gra no anyum bi osu asabi me nso to me no nyansa nim
and farm house
yeah kwabena very quick one
right
yes say jejentwie ana say me kan say mpo okwase na onim say dey onim agin sachira so what they say per de kwaje kan na say ono ankasa ne nyum na oka no kra no ebi o ma nyansa nim fine ana watan so no adwuma me kra me ye no kra say na emfa say mum na say ekọ ana wa beka odika fine si e ka say ehuhu nyum ana say enyum anyansa ewom ana say nyansa animu a enie ne nyansa wo ni say at the end of the day there should be a moral lesson and then akanfo yehu ni say we dey enyu dey nyansa dey ewom but enam say ewo wiase na wiase mnima bebre dey ewom from left to right everywhere bibi wo munti ba nyo bon ma ye ni kwan say ma enkrai dey eti nti ni onim nyansa no edo we say o kan inspiration enyum dey bu sara so be catch row say na kwaji kan ye no
wa go bi sa wan
so dey otonyum enyum it comes out of inspiration say mood and now what anything can inspire so what they say but say inspire who we are then you it's a message you have to give to some people but looking at the environment and how do you present the message that is why sometimes as of be to me Emma prophecy na afi aye bomb because the channel through which or the message ni ba no at the end of the day M1 nipa no right that is why me uploaded that lumba utie saa nyum na Dr. Pani no a eye huhu nyum o but how a okoti no how a ode ofra ne ntoma no Emma won wadwempo maso say netie ba panin bia na o te say anyum nim say oh okay say ni say na dey o kan ho asem na kwaje kan bi say nyansa ba ye wo nyansa ne wonim die obetime nya nimdeɛ obibi ho na onim ho nyansa enti sɛ message ni ba wanya inspiration no but nyansa mu na be show how I dey ma message ni dey enko wanya ho nimdeɛ na ba but utena ho saa na to kema fa nimdeɛ ne saa enko a ebi at the end of the day no na nka wo de asempa na eba but eba ko rubbish so what you say by nyansa no dem was okay do asem we say na tie de ba ma menka ne sese na be say nti kwa agi ni ras keka no enkosi hwe no kre nti na me san reference ubiem say one friend say the lover boy and I said no boy good scene no good scene
Olive
boy on say nyum no uti on that lumba e pepepe o but the way I was akoti we no one hwe wadwen maso obi ato ni good scene onum say eye wo na ma me koti anyum ni ye oh yeah then na wo ye ho no I'm saying ma me koti ni ye na me tie lyrics I'm saying hey asema wo kan no
it's something very deep
deep enti say wonnim nyansa sabi wonnim nyansa unti ase you just go with the flow with the nimdie na ode and flow na good scene one obi ato what am I say enti nyansa no based on how what the message na ema listeners no
right ba na one thing say hu ni say enipa unya the moment obe kunza nyumbi anyomfo na nyumfo bi enu etie wi ojaze
kakra na no ojaze
anyumfo bi enu etie wi because no can be say at the end of the song ade abenya wom me anyumi mantie anwi so sene won the bongani wan tie anwi so unim say awie no ekosi sen and ekosi sen
so right mama face na time na yen call the next topic which is Tabia Ghana Music Award UK now happened last week. A lot of controversies, a lot of conversations. As I say, there are AC between Shatta and the industry, and then the organizers of the show. No, a bit to me are preventing investors into our space. If people can say £80,000 a year, Tabia for Enya and for Shatta. So I don't pay. Ras after I didn't come over here, who said there be my wrong figure.
Okay.
Yes. It's me convert it baby and I think say it's about 10 billion and a chiri. Yes. Because say Obosha convert animal who say it's 1,448,279.3698 a chiri. Yes.
How did you do that? Because £1 you're saying.
Okay, so £1 14 cedis
times is that 80,000? Yeah. So you multiply by 80,000.
Into 1,000. Okay, say one. Me who's I mention.
Maybe okay, I don't know the figure you.
Okay, so let me write it this way. Not so it's 1148. Awadi musumbe timi abo.
But are you sure say £1 you're 14 cedis?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's any I don't know say ube who sorry for that. Any.
Okay. Hey. Are you serious?
Yeah. £80,000. £1. 14 cedis and a coins watch it.
No, Kabla, you should check it.
Oh, check it here.
I know probably there is a problem with your calculator.
No, check it here.
say yeah.
Maybe I was now.
Okay, what then rate because I'm using the current rate.
Yeah, £80,000 in Ghana cedis.
Into who you say?
Meaning 1.140.
Body na 1.10.
That is 1 million. 1 million.
Sika ya body no yes more money.
1,148,000.
Oh, million no 1,140,636.62 Ghana cedis.
Which is
only 14 cedis, you know.
We me converting straight £80,000 sterling
from Google
to Ghana cedis and now down. Right?
Which
Ghana
is
cedi. That means that's a Kabla the 14 cedis you are.
Okay, maybe you should
the converter now down. And there's a current.
This is the converter I'm using.
Now 114.
Now when you saying
maybe 1,148,000. 297.6983.
Okay, which is close to 10 billion.
Yes.
Kabla, there is a problem with your calculator.
No, I am using the current listing
rate.
Any?
Or you Apple?
Yeah.
Now you
no, but we are having
Me, I'm using the current.
One
this
say
thing,
up,
The last three the last four now on and we then pesos and we are pesos.
Yes.
Until they take the last four out and then write the first 7 figures for us near
1,148,296.
good. But I can all this up pesos ni na
Ever can one here. Okay.
And no. Say Ghanaians in problem no. We refuse to learn. It people add the pesos to it and then they say hey zikawe dey intimi modi in Ghana. But when you clear the pesos you have a round figure there.
Right. Yeah. Oh, so it's 10 billion.
No, Gabran, it's still not 10 billion. How can you
Old
say
currency.
10 billion?
What currency?
Now what are 10 billion?
Yeah, they 10 billion. But
What,
old-
1
maybe-
billion?
Yeah, but old currency now, okay, say 10 billion.
Oh no, but all the old currency.
No, but no, this is 1
it's
million.
let them find say kwa oh you use abwaji u figure no.
Where 1 million?
You find say 1.2
Maybe 100,000.
Yeah,
a billion and 200 million.
Yeah.
And then that's
No, no. 100,000 you're saying.
100,000. Old currency, no? 10 billion now.
1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion.
Yes. And I wear 1 million Ghana cedis.
I know you billion.
Yeah,
no.
billion.
Listen, Sikano, 1 million.
That 1 million here 1 billion no.
Maybe
There be only 1 billion.
1 million 148,000.
Yes, the 148,000 no. 148 million.
No.
1 billion plus 148 million
No, Ras.
plus kakrani.
Then Ras you can.
No, the Ras. Don't confuse
Okay,
yourself. Listen,
I hear.
100,000. 100,000. So, about the figure no. Take off the first one. One they can if you. Sa figure na kano.
140 no.
140 no.
And na kano. And no 1 billion.
Billion.
So you
There
add
be-
that one.
The 140 is not the 1 billion.
Check it well.
The 40, the 40,000, 400 million.
So let's do this.
40,000, 400 million. And the first one now, idea ni mune.
Ras, see. Figure near 1 million. 1 million. How much is 1 million Ghana cedis?
No, but this is new currency we are talking about.
And I'm just how much is 1 million Ghana cedis?
How much is 1 million? 1 million cedis is 1 million cedi. 1 million is 1 million
The
Ghana
thing is
cedi.
100,000 Ghana cedi. 1 billion.
100,000.
Yes. 1 billion. And away 1
1 million.
So it's more than
1
10
billion.
billion. It's more than 10
10
billion.
billion.
Ghana cedis.
Yes. Calculate the other. Ras, why confused?
No, man, you're confused. Awaje, figure na wo ho na say.
What a new currency.
Say 140,000 cedis say. O de yemfa yeni one the first in 20. 140,000 Ghana cedis say.
Listen.
1.4 billion.
Yeah. It is 1,148.
100,000 Ghana cedis say.
No, Ras, Sikarankasa.
If you buy 100,000 1 billion. Sana opatre. 100,000 Ghana cedi 1 billion na. Sana opatre na.
100,000.
Friend say.
Where 140,000 igu no.
No, Ras.
10,000 say 100 million.
Yes. And 100,000 1 billion.
1 billion.
And
100,000.
140,000. So 1.4 billion.
So the
What
money,
currency?
Sikani nya
Can
11
we suit ya net you?
11 billion. Sikani 11 billion.
Yes, 11 billion.
Yes.
Plus.
Yes. 11
plus.
billion. Ras, what I say?
Okay.
No, you're okay. I want you to understand.
Say na na wa na.
But math, simple math.
Simple math say na we 100,000 da wo phone so.
Oh, say,
Uja ho asa waka kwesi bibia ma na de na waka. Nya ma. Ten no. I na da so.
Oh, me na
Oh, multiply
No. Use this.
How can you calculate billions in your head?
Now the mass. What to talk to mass? Yeah, uni problem.
Can I move calculate?
Mete mass and mete.
Ras,
yo.
where 1 million. 1 million 140.
That's 100,000 Ghana cedi. 1 billion. Sana mo patre. 100,000.
Yeah, 100,000, 1 billion.
100,000 1 billion.
Yes.
Inti 140,000 no. 1 billion 400 million. And as I say,
Debut, I said, first one, one kind of now who use the other. 1 million. One, like this. 1 million. 148,000.
Oh, me chana de, me chana de keke. Koran pacho, ma me family nwa nko school kakra bi me ba. See.
Ras can 11 billion.
Yeah, first me started fi echiri aba. Any point 60 pesos ni free ho. 636 Ghana cedis no. 6 million. Old currency ni 6 million. Ana we 140,000. And no see 1.4 billion. Old currency. Then 1 million no 10 billion old currency.
In the funny account.
Into the nina boma.
11 billion.
11 billion.
Almost 600.
For something.
they say no 40 no 400 million.
40 no 400 million wa ha.
And 140,000.
1.4
billion.
1.4 billion.
Yeah. Old currency.
Okay. Now say you can say 10,000. 10,100 million. Into 100,000.
1 billion.
1 billion.
100,000 sa 10. 1 million.
1 million.
100,000.
Also my nyabotre na analysis ni na.
No sure.
Ada ye ni na ye nyabotre na ya say ye tie for so ye confuse no ye ni na no ya te ye ho ase. Eso me ka na wa say asa no. It is say no 100,000 1 billion. 140,000 no 1 billion 400 million. Yes, fan say a billion and 400 million.
Yes.
And extra one esa ba be denim. Na say trillion no ana say
Billion.
So 300
you know trillion but billion.
300 ko ni mo.
It is a billion.
Billion.
The 10. 1 billion is 10. And the account was plus 100 net that's all. Into 11 billion. And I take a good tree.
All right. Obisika calculate ya yenye bi.
Hey, you know, 80,000 pounds. 11 billion. Yeah, running as 80,000 pounds. 11 billion. So this is Sika. You need receipt to be able to show for. But this is what Shatta is saying. Say tabia for the man. And go for Rekers and no tabia for a whisker there. But yeah, man, artist be performing for just 1 hour, some few minutes. Yeah, man, 11 billion. And you know, cray. And I did all these conversations about talk back and forth near there. And Uncle Forgas no. What we are doing, they be I say investors and brand industry. Now tabia. AGS in the bonus say we are trying to rubbish the effort of tabia. It be very difficult for other investors to also come into our space. But say you didn't hear boom. One, is it too a big deal for an artist ever 11 billion for performance? And two, would this buhaha everything seize investors from coming to our space? Ras Michelle also.
Kobla, I think it's a situation here about that Bamane so no. We you know obi antimi nka hwe because at the same meeting na mesio se me ko showbiz 933 ya odi ahenkan ma me 1,000 Ghana.
Ras manager the voice I was say 11.2 billion.
11.2 billion. Okay. Men am maba and I'm sure me ko showbiz 933 ya odi ahenkan ma me 1,000 Ghana cedi every Saturday. Me and I'm a demi and I make us as no. Inti whether true or false will be me and challenge me because there are even all the free artists now the bar radio presenters a crew work more than potem and see numerous of radio presenters and they don't pay them. But obviously, was I made 5 million, with this 6 million, with this 7 million, and yeah, we know all of them. But what can you say? You understand or no? And or then, and Yaman one was such a wally because it's car. Waje and no. Untiasia, what will you do? You understand? You cannot do anything or no, then. me as an industry player, when Shatta Wale got to UK, those who were following me on social media, they reported from my associate.
Yeah.
You even came to like the page.
I even commented because
You
now
even
it's someone from the team
Exactly.
gave you the evidence.
Good.
Okay.
From Heathrow Airport all the way to the why are you laughing?
Why you always be so because why you laughing?
Enti mama nsere. Mama nsere, ras, mama nsere.
Are you laughing at me or Shatta Wale?
Come on, Sammy.
No, I want to know, is it Shatta Wale that you are laughing at or me?
It's not Shatta Wale, neither is it you. So what do you come on, Sam?
I gave proper review of whatever happened. We could do airport to hold no more. My money are there. Nina, me eagle eye observing. Me, I know the money Shatta Wale took, but I am not in position to say Shatta Wale is a liar. But in Ghana, 80% of the population knows Shatta Wale is a blatant liar. You understand? She sika ya also kokoji ye. Sika he na company no ewa omo betimi adane say sika we nko a e de amount. Normally, the last time I was interviewed at Kingdom FM in Accra on this very issue, and I was telling them, say, in same be say no, unya kok. Unim say Shatta Wale was wanted in UK. The reason why Wale just went to play this show for free, UK, I've said it.
No, but you can't say for free.
Oh, it's a free show. Come on. Even Sammy Flex knows. When the last time I told him, make a share no Kingdom FM. You see, the show is a free show. If I'm lying, there.
Yeah, there because even £80,000 we don't have any evidence to it.
It's a lie.
So they are okay. I mean, we don't have any evidence.
Exactly.
So,
and you know, I've been one of me. I told Shatta Wale to sack Sammy Flex.
Nancy.
Oh, Nasa Wunim say me I've been one person at the Bia Mr. Sammy Flex say he's not capable of doing the job. He was not even stadium once and some crowd. I told Shatta Wale, me say this guy was not even able to secure a stadium for you this December for a show. Sack him. He didn't mind me. Me come as a man no afa asem no and
that's a stadium. Ras, this stadium
issue, when they go to UK.
But this stadium issue,
my colleague was in Leicester City. What's it then?
Oh yeah, the reason why I'm pull you off, or see because of some threats on Shatta's life and all of that. It's on pull you off. You know, say as a manager, I don't think so. We're forcing and say we still want to have a show.
As threat as in how?
That is what Sammy Flex said.
That is what I'm telling you, that the guy is not competent for the job. And I've even said it to Shatta Wale straight. Makacha Wale Nangasa himself. I've said this. Meka Kingdom FM. Meka me say Sammy Flex. Or no baby ku. The way this guy is managing this Shatta Wale guy crowd there. I feel crowd there. They say the last time na openti na nim as a slave queen or whatever or makeup near there. Me can't some be far omumfa. I don't care. But I'm telling you, say, Wale na oye wanted UK. My people in Leicester City, ideas mine. There is one guy or Achimo down Kruma, a friend Kofi Sian.
Ideas.
Good. Ne blap ni Kofi Asamoah. Or no pre-PPP MP no. Our Leicester City, they showed the document to me that Shatta Wale is wanted in London just as he is wanted in South Africa. Johannesburg.
Serious allegation I will make you know.
Oh.
No, this is a serious allegation.
Me say, this guy na Hajia for rare. Asamba na Hajia for rare bekaye. Shatta Wale do London. Asamba na Hajia for rare bekaye. Or see there or Obiena no or say when I open my mouth, Ghana will shake. Eba ne say Shatta Wale wanted wa London. For how long? And Wale call London? It has been almost 7 or 8 years now. What is the Shatawala Kolending?
No, horses here. He's
I know that in America say recently we no Natabia for no a changing no identity. Your friend be impersonation.
So who is he?
I know. So the document that or you wanted will lend no, and you know it is Shatawale a kwa ko ye nyina no. Opportunity Atabia
disclaimer. I mean trying kind of free because what you are saying is
serious. I say we are here Lebeko. I say we are here for Lebeko.
Serious allegation.
I Shatawale because we be see what Henkai. We are waiting for him.
No, Mami try Henkai free, please.
We are waiting for him. Honest, I'm flesh nina. If I am saying so, Wale has been a wanted person. Our UK. My man, she could fear someone. Because you say I have the document. I know all those things. Am I not the person who reported when he got to Heathrow Airport? And I'm here. I said, my making. My guy, me Shatawale movement, and I know we started SM with Arabi, the Poti, Shatabiti. Before Ansana, a military for we crabem.
First by your pamo.
We started.
Money a pamo mono.
Me, while you bet me as Akeme. I ignored him. The very first day we met Benna Boy. I am now Ghana for Kazena, Benna Boy, ba Ghana, or Bana Shatawali Nabua Benna Boy. Near your friend who tell you attack the Paragon Hotel. I was there, Rabi was there, Castro Destroyer in Swafani. A couple of guys, Assembly Gold. Satan Krona Bulldog come. Maybe we were hoping a Bulldog an appointment letter by the Vienna Club. I was there. It's when I am talking about SM, people may think say be as a Saku, Bongani, na Tobe, na Yawona. And yet the guy has been wanted in UK. The show is live on Facebook. SM fans are that. SM fans association, Omni Town Hono. They are there. As well big Kemeboa. They should forward the information to them. Even the manager himself. Now some fresh crowd there. Sometimes I don't even want to talk about, but the bottom line is the money involved. It is a mekasa me kekaka umekasi bia bitter. I am bitter. I'm bitter
now, Cashman. We can't say me.
Another also kwa out studio hana. Eti untiwe mo bi ntwanani.
Don't try and training.
Na me twa mani na mani abebo wani ma o se na me hwe. Ada unti obi yenti yentwaye ni ana.
O he manim sa, o kan o de o hwe kaka.
Na wo hwe he, e na hu se na me hwe o.
Ah, say me hwe manim sei.
Wanim wan.
Wanim ni.
Wo wanim ne me manim.
Eh me ha na me kuma me hwe na me hwe. O de kuma asem.
Eti kwabra. The guy had the opportunity to impersonate himself to get access to UK. But he didn't mind. Now how many years did I Ghana Music Awards UK? Ghana Music Awards UK. How many times in a year? Once a while like UK that. For the past last 5 years in year. The opa my mentor some 5 years in year. What is that Shatawala Kolende da? Or born in London guests. They say too much London guests. Oh, to be call opportunity onyaye we ya mu ye impersonate di obidi eye passport man no. He didn't get to UK with his name Charles Niama Mensa. Me na make a choice. I am telling you the gospel.
Okay, my fire and one chain. Now your face can say is it a big deal? Say because
I am telling you say Sika be fake because opportunity now tabia for the man e kura na when your chance dey call London no. Eye the say Sika pem na it is carry the or the atoso keke o.
£80,000.
Oh, where did they
okay, it only say sanama industry players like you. Bebrena e bash tabia na the best team stop investors from investing into our space. Bebreka say ya cry ya de hu ko shem come say twa no cry say yenye credible yenye say
no it is rather even helping Tabia because MSF it and some who say Tabia say introduce you another product be yeah I'm introduce you new product. I think say for Emma menstrual stuff.
I think even this morning I saw a video on page. They have some flags, GH Komuna, they are chilling. I say,
oh yeah,
maybe I'm going cameras.
And it's helping them. It's helping them because some of us after all, ɛna wa nso san ton yɛn ni ade a ɛne deɛ sɛ ne yɛ tie baabi what I say but trust Chatawale obeka cho so unya UK ne deɛ yakobon free but eba ne deɛ you see ne yɛhwɛ na mi stadium mi December yi mi program a me bɛbɔ no mo nhwɛ na what I say
December program so on one yan bi.
Oh, I'm thinking some the so Kosi Kumasi Satamale somewhere. Oh, Chatawale there say baby people will come.
Yeah.
You understand? They are just trying to put something on the pipeline, but Sikane there is a lie. Like people are saying Wale Buefuni there no, it's a lie because Sika yin na yin timi modi there. Na say because Sika we cry no, people were even saying say so akodi say Sika we will lend there. Say tax cry na utu ya tax saying. You understand? Nini na I can. And look at the artists that these people convey here the call here. You alone kwa yes is as Sika with the amount no. It's nothing to write home about.
That is
you understand? It you know where the Wale there is just one of ne blackguard level nibia. Yini na yinim ne kobe me there. I know say Wale had the opportunity to have himself a visa back to London for the past 8 years in here ontimi enko UK because of the scam attitude ene chronon kinkiti a omu nyina omo ebo ewa blichire ho no muntia ye drop him to say na ya drop hajia for rem it's not people a lot of people in America no say woman no also obi na no a Ghana would turn upside down
Right. SM4 the Bama of Facebook comment to talk about pan. The last time a t-shirt ever try I want the man the pan.
Okay.
It triggers with you.
Unim and then why minim kwabena ras per se or attack personalities minim ye bisa sika ho asem wasopa Chatawale sa nanim asem na waka no omwa ewo say Chatawale step in the hotel sana mi follow no kra kan ya mpoka say convoy bi kra omo kokra no Chatawale enam sokote na we mu nam ha o my god na Chatawale unity na o we vi
na we who know you saw the picture right from UK you saw it me na me say ade no wan fu wani ehu
una wo ka
na wan fa wani ehu ana
no well yes say obi mpe wasem a o sa wasa na wachia ne pa as to say 80,000 pounds no say ye no kure senya no kure oye ono shata na ede nasem se bi o ma me ewu na so wada se me de emfa me ho so wada say but in as much okobo show no way obo wo London currency be no mudi what the pounds me boa and we charge in pounds ni amad na be he ni say
convert
ba by yemfa ni say senkaye nanka 1 pound is equal to 1 Ghana cedi inka 8,000 Ghana cedi is coming. You my friend from this angle
80,000
inka here and it's not it's 800 million but Shatta them they are playing they are playing shows in Ghana more than 800 million so what I say but because say musika no because of economic parameters nti ye de na be show mu de na asenti no o convert ya sika buburuja na Ghana fo ye ma hye nti Ghana fo ntimi ntua ba mi hu ni say thing to call like I say cause alarm
but again based on what you are saying Enipa Ochia sika no is not a foreigner it's a Ghanaian living in the UK it's a typical Ghanaian will try to convert sika medema into a Ghana city.
And don't forget, say the person over there too is a businessman. Before bet you sika no, onim ne checks are why onim ni obenya. I was soon tia day. A man be agree to pay. So what you say? And the biansa was see friend say omune Sammy Flex picture. Yeah. Opa ma Chatawale. And so Tabia mu say, Tabia onya ne nganga. Sales on benya within the week, you know. In your sales kutua.
Who told you that?
Who told you what? You know. You know.
Chatawale started store manager drinks, store manager is always stuck in your shops and stores.
Hey, Chatta was giving the contract to advertise Storm Energy. Not Storm Energy. Not those
they have even recorded the poor.
Storm na ye ton.
What you are actually be? Are you an economist?
So what I say, and then Storm ye ton say.
Ye ton say.
Storm crowd.
It is stuck in the market. People don't even patronize anymore.
Market no so. One say it's very scarce to get Storm Energy. Oh yes.
And Tronco.
And so like scarce because of Shatawale Day. So they know what they will get out of Shatawale. That's why they agree to pay that money. Fine. Yeah, amount for pushing Shatta say on file receipts. Extra say ye tia say scanner man. Opa or the beba, opa on famba. Obi antun to me anyway. But one thing I believe Shatta to do ni say or you be a say office or a real guy. So office say on file they been chane fans or the betche. So be any gidigi not so cast on fine meow. So what they say? People like Ras intina maybe a Shatta crown for receipts near day. Say and pass all £8,000.
But you see, for someone like Shatta any there, and this back and forth conversation, and our chain receipt
on say yes, ten be or like obisuya, who corner, who suya maybe. What I say, maybe one person so there's a time I need not to explain myself too much. Me cannot say who.
Oh, but
fine.
But he's on social media and no didn't comfort them. What I say open say engineer who say recently on Stoneboy stadium issue obe show you receipt of Stoneboy tweet to be or can say if I grow up I want to be like Bandana right so say this back and forth because someone we know Shatta who is very vocal on certain issues would have come out with receipts saying identity
when say Shatta you be a or keka they be a keka fan on any age
so he's enjoying
the thing but the receipts now bank assignment ke tuacha
na ke hu sampa because unim or one person they be o ka say ya gigi sikan ketenkete is it Afro Nation about Afro Nation na recently Stoneboy there or the goodness the go Stoneboy so near there am ko gigi sikan ketenkete can never be like Burna Boy near there so fine they be also you are on top, you're the richest blah 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 okay Shatta let us see the amount given to you. Yeah, who say, okay, this is our boss, this is our let's start it. And then receipt to say receipt to say na me person me true. Like receipt just on my chain evidence. That's what I'm trying to say. Say most times you can't receipt evidence. Yes.
On we say penikasa.
No, penikasa be my. You have been an MC for a period of time now. Please, I just mamin chipping into Okoye UMC work na aya mom receipt.
Mamin show receipt na say. Receipt in interest say paper receipt too. Say me charge when I say bia ubi some bank details am dem awa. Na me say bia me gisi na say ubi some boa. I'll just take a screenshot of the bank statement.
But so on the grounds some me pon me home ya the permanent am me pon me home. We the bank is say be any.
I'll give you my momo. I'll give my one.
The way they made the man wo hono na.
There we honor the engine.
Okay. Maybe I will do your budget.
Only Kobana. Na, Misa, Tabia Babontin send Shatta can or Buana say
no, I won't buy out yet.
So, why the did So what I say? Because if say your more can say no crew, say no cry in a way, it will go against Tabia. What I say? Say no crown, the effect is there. So by now we should hear from your friend and say, Tabia say, oh okay, send your Shatta can and no cry, send your demand. Because they might also lose something for what the Shatta is saying, he say, or £80,000. Now ebia the staff crying day men can't say on the staff for car. But you may be your issues for her. And probably can come up about because oh say any
or because oh that cry company the country I when Shatta
what they say and at least in Kebenya
someone from the